How to fix Monopoly Go freezing or not working. Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how you'll be able to do a quick fix if ever your Monopoly Go will freeze or it will glitch. We'll be helping you solve that out. So first thing here is that you actually need to go to your settings. If you have been experiencing lagging or if your application is pausing in the middle of the game, all you have to do is to go to your Monopoly Go. You make sure that you reopen or close the application and reopen it once again, making sure that there are no other apps that were running as well, so that the processor on your device would only focus on your Monopoly game right here. So another thing here, if it still is glitching or if it's still freezing, all you have to do is go to your app management or app list if you're using Android. You need to go to app list and search for Monopoly Go. When you go to Monopoly Go, all you have to do is go to storage usage and then click on clear cache. From here, you just need to close the application once again and then reopen Monopoly Go. If it still does not work, what you can do here is that go to your Play Store or App Store, look for the Monopoly Go application, make sure it's fully updated, and if it is already updated, you can uninstall and reinstall the application if the application is still freezing. And once done, that would definitely do the trick. And that's the end of the video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!